Hello everyone. Welcome and let's learn Kalenjin. My name is Lagat and I'll be the one who's going to take you through in learning Kalenjin. First of all, let me take you through the introduction. Kalenjin is a community made up of different tribes. Initially, there was no Kalenjin up until the run-up into Kenya gaining independence early in the year 1940s or 1950s. The British were looking for some representatives to go represent each and every tribe within the region of Kenya to go to the Legislative Council. And uh, Kalenjin, or rather the Kalenjin speaking people, being among the inhabitants of Kenya and formed a very big bloc, decided that, to make it easier, to make it have numbers for the representation, the then leaders, led by Moi and Tata Itoe, decided to look for a unifying, name that unifies because the whole people, because they realized that these people speak almost the same language, the same dialect, but they have from different tribes. So they decided to look for a common word to unify all of them, and that is when the scholars of then, led by Tata Itoe, came up and decided to form Kalenjin. What is Kalenjin? Kalenjin literally means I'm telling you. So that is the meaning of Kalenjin. So within all the subtribes of the Kipsigis, Nandi, Keyo, Tugen, Marakwet, Sabo, Terik, Pokot, and Okieka shown there, all of them use this word Kalenjin, and it exactly means I'm telling you in all the tribes that form the Kalenjin community. I hope you got me, and I hope you've learned something on that. Going now directly into starting our lesson, I want us to learn about basic greetings. I want to learn about how to greet each other in the Kalenjin dialect or the Kalenjin speaking language. First of all, you greet someone by saying, if you are hello, which means in Kalenjin you say, in Kalenjin which is singular, we say chamge, chamge. That's if you're greeting one person. That person will respond to chamge, chamge. How are you? Iyamune. And the response will be achamege, achamege. If you're greeting two or more people, you ask them uamune, uamune. And their response will be kichamege, kichamege. And then if you're asking about the well-being of another person, how is he or she? For example, if you're asking about the well-being of, if you're asking a kid about the well-being of the mother or the father, you say amune mama or amune baba, and then the kid will respond chamege baba or chamege mama. If it's in plural, parents are called sigik. So if you ask someone about how are their parents, how is his parents or her parent, so you say amune sigik, and the response will be chamege sigik. Now let's go forward to ask, are you fine? Are you fine? So how you ask in Kalenjin is Ichamege, Ichamege, and the response will be E Abai. That means yes, I'm fine. If it's in plural, you're asking one, two or more people, the question will be Ochamege, Ochamege, and the answer will be E Kichamege, to mean yes, we are fine. You can also use the word amigo mie, and the response will be amigo mie. If it's in plural, is omigo mie, and the response will be kimigo mie. And then if you can also still ask someone, are you happy? It's ibai bai, ibai bai. The answer will be ibai bai, which means yes, I'm fine, I'm happy. If it's in plural, obai baien stroke obai bai. That is the question. The answer will be ki bai baien or ki bai bai, ki bai bai. So that is how we do our greetings, and it is not limited to Tan. With the evolution of everything, different age group or different generations tend to have their unique way of saying hello to each other, but this is the basis of each and every one who belongs to the Kalenjin and wants to start a conversation, but first through greetings. Next, I want us to learn about basic vocabulary that the Kalenjin people use in day-to-day life. I want us to introduce this because it will guide us in going into our next chapters as we learn more. So I'll read out in singular and in plural. So the first one is come. Nyo in plural is obwa. Go in singular is we, in plural is oba. See in singular is care, care, in plural is oger, oger. Listen, kas, kas, in plural is ogas. Talk, talk, in plural in singular is ngalal, ngalal, in plural ongalal. Speak, in singular is twegu, in plural is otwegu. Whisper, cham, in plural is ocham. Eat, am, am, in plural is oam. Shut up, cease, cease, its plural is osishe. Wake up, nget, nget, its plural is ongetie, ongetie. Stand up, tonon, tonon, its plural is otononse, otononse. Sit down, tebingwen, tebingwen, its plural is otebingwen, otebingwen. Leave, mete, mete, its plural is omete, omete. Sleep, ru, ru, its plural is oruye, oruye. We continue. Touch, tin, tin, its plural is otin, otin. And then press, chill, chill, its plural is ochil, ochil. Pull, ngus, ngus, its plural is ongus, ongus. And then drive, cat or query, its plural is oget or oquery. To go or to leave, kwa, kwa, its plural is koba. Pray, sa, Sa, its plural is osa. And then call, to call someone. Kur, kur, and then its plural is ogur, ogur. And then bite, sus, sus, its plural is osus, osus. Kill, par, its plural is obar, obar. And then me, ache, ane, its plural is achek. The plural of me is us, which is achek. And then good, kararan, kararan. And then love, cham, cham. Its plural is ocham. And then allow, chamji, chamji. Plural, ochamji, ochamji. So those are the vocabularies that normally appear in someone's day-to-day life. So I saw it fit that we start with them so that as we go forward, when we'll be using them as examples, at least you will know. And that is why I've read out all of them for you to get how they are pronounced. So that is exactly how all those I used. Next, I want us to learn and pronounce times and days of the week. In Kalenjin, most of the days of the week, or almost all of the days of the week, have no originality. So they were borrowed from Swahili because we used to only have months and an year. We didn't have the days of the week. So we borrowed them from Swahili. Monday in Swahili is Jumatatu. Also in Kalenjin is Jumatatu. Tuesday is Kwaengasi or Kasitaboeng. Simply, it comes from Swahili, which is Kazi. So, and in Kalenjin, Aeng is two. So, the second day of work, which is Kwaengasi. And then the third day of the work is Kosomokasi. Somok is three. So, Kosomokasi or Kasitar Somok. Thursday is Kwangwangasi. Angwan is four. So, the fourth day of work, Kwangwangasi. Friday, Komut Kasi or Kasi Tamut, the fifth day of the work. And then we have Jumamos and Jumapili. We just pronounce them as they are. And then times of the day. We have them in English and in Kalenjin. Morning. It's Karon or some other dialects within the Kalenjin will call Subui. It's borrowed from Asubui, but it is as I have said. And then midday, Bet, Bet. That's why you find a name Kibet or Chebet. That's someone who was born midday. And then in the evening, course calling, course calling. Then we have midnight, Kemboy or Kemoy. It depends with the dialect within the Kalenjin. Mostly the Kipsigis and partly some of the KU and Tugen call Kemoy. You've realized that part of the Nandi and Tugen call it Kemboy. And then daybreak, Koech, Koech, Koech. This is after the sun is out and is up there. And then dawn. Dawn is morning, is Koriron or Korir. This is the time when there's already light, but the sun is not yet out. This is the time when we say Koriron or Korir. And then tomorrow depends with the dialect you come from. Some use Karon to mean tomorrow. Some use Mutai to mean tomorrow. Then yesterday, Amut, Amut. Then the day after tomorrow, Tunguain, Tunguain. The day before yesterday, Ain, Ain. So that's it. Thank you very much. Those are what we have for today in our first lesson in learning Kalenjin. I really appreciate it and I'm happy and I hope that you've learned something from that. Thank you very much for your interest in learning Kalenjin. Take your time and practice the pronunciation of everything that we've learned today. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Welcome.